It is such a gorgeous day in Jamaica. The sun is smiling wide at us, the blue sky covering us with its grace, and the birds, oh, they sing. Many of you may be celebrating Valentine's Day today, and so we thought to share a historical legend in the romance realm. Let's take a leap to the parish of St. Elizabeth, known for being one of Jamaica's largest and oldest parish, and also known as the Breadbasket Parish. St. Elizabeth became the first place in Jamaica to acquire electricity and holds several gems for you to explore. One such gem is its legendary tale of Lover's Leap. Known for the most sweeping views in Jamaica, this spot is a well-known place for the scenery, lush gardens, tasty food, and of course, the tale of two lovers who some have said that their spirits still linger to this day. Now let's go back. It was the 18th century. Mizzy and Tunkey were their names. Do you know the story? Let us know in the comments. So let's recount what happened according to oral storytelling. Mizzy and Tunkey know harsh days. But these days didn't matter as long as they were able to see each other at night. They would sneak off to meet at the cliff where the lighthouse is now. They were madly in love and relished the time that they spent together. But there was a thorn in the midst of the roses. That one plantation owner, Charlie, wasn't having it. He got word of their secret meetup and was instantly filled with the rage of jealousy. You see, he had feelings for Mitzi and wanted her all to himself. So he came up with a quick plan. Let's sell Tonky to a faraway plantation, he said. This piece of information spread like wildfire, and soon the young lovers heard what would happen to Tonky. They were torn. They couldn't believe it. Their love was already forbidden. They couldn't bear to permanently be apart. The night before he was to be sold, Tonky met Mitzi at their secret spot by the cliff. They needed to make a decision fast, and so they did. They knew they couldn't live without each other, so they decided to be together in another eternal way. Hand in hand, heart by heart, they took off, running from the cliff, and they leaped, they fell, they jumped off Lover's Leap. Off the 1700 feet cliff, escaping their tormented reality to leap into what one would hope eternal love. It is said that the moon caught them in a golden net, and some nights when the moon shines brightest, you can hear them singing sweetly and laughing lovingly in that moonlit night. Ah, love stories. Do you believe this one? Let us know in the comments. But one thing's for sure, some of the people that we hold dear, that we love, aren't here with us. It's been a hard couple 2 years, but somewhere above, they're there. So we're dedicating this one to all our angels who are no longer with us. Now, the lighthouse was built as a national monument to the two lovers. You can visit Lover's Leap and you'll see the statues of them. Make it a lovely day by chilling in the garden, getting lunch, and on Sundays they normally have a saxophonist. You can also do the tour where you learn the story of Mizzy and Tunkey with the tour guide that they have on location. Whether or not you believe this story, Lover's Leap is definitely worth the visit. So that's it for now. Happy Valentine's Day. Have a safe one, a blessed one, and remember to stay as healthy and hopeful as you can. Take care of yourself and each other. Until next time, bless up.